Hi, this is Miss Liza again, and we're on to our second Ramahari dance study here at my Veran Dance or Baile sa Bundok. So we are gonna be doing Ginoong Ermitanyo, another melodic song from the pop ballet Ramahari. Okay, I'll show you the full dance in one go, as usual, and then we will go step by step. All right, here goes.
Ginoong Ermitanyo, tulungan po ako. Di man dapat, Ginoong Ermitanyo, salinan ako ng tulong niyo.
Di man dapat, aling ano, pinupukaw mo ang ano ko, dasal na nakahain sa labi mo, lalasahan ng bibig ko.
Talinghagang mataas ng ermitanyo, di kayang abutin ng abang talino.
Lay, 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 dalawang santong namumundok sa dibdib mo, alalayan ng mga palad ko.
Banal na salitang parang paru-paro, ayaw dumapo sa mundo.
Langit na madilim sa bandang baywang mo, arukin ng titig ko.
Mahiwagang mithi, santong ermitanyo, di kayang pagbigyan ng di piloso ko.
Lay, 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 lay.
Now, the step by step. You have a piqué soutenu. You know your third position, right? Okay. You're gonna piqué onto your third or fifth. So you step and perch. Cross your legs, up, up, down, and then to the side, up, up, down. All right? And then you have two waltzes. Push, curtsy, push, and then a soutenu en tournant. Okay? You may repeat that on the same side or do it on the other side. So I'm doing a mirror. I'm going to do my right, but that's your left. Okay? You can also do a half a turn for the first part. Just go half turn and end behind and repeat the same thing. So it depends on you which one you favor, or if you want to balance your brain, just do it once to the right, once to the left as well. So that's the first figure. Second figure is just a step, tendu in croisé. So step to the side, tendu in croisé. Cross your legs, hips are still square. I can still see it from my view, okay? And then you fondu or you melt. You can either flex your foot or point your foot in attitude. All right? And you can pour the bra with a nice ethnic kind of pour de bras. Just go circle and flex your hands. All right, so those are just the two figures. You step, fondue 3 times, stepped, fondue 3 times, and then just chug around. It's just a little curtsies one after the other, and you just chug around yourself. Okay, those are the only things that you have to remember for this dance. Just forward, side, waltz, and waltz, half turn or full turn for figure 1, and again for figure 2, step, fondue in attitude, 3 sets, and then a chug. All right, enjoy your dance.